Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day. You know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest and up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. And you know our practice here, I'm going to share everything that you need to know from the product names, prices, SKU product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. So please make sure you stay until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the Mahina Flight Mode Collection launching September 20th, 2024. First bag, we have the very beautiful Blossom PM, price of 4,350 USD. The main material is leather with the Louis Vuitton monogram detail in the Mahina perforation. It comes with detachable back and it comes with detachable mini pochette as we could see here. Loving the colorway of the Mahina Flight Mode Collection, don't you think, guys? Next bag is the Caramel. Price is 4,200 euro or 5,250 USD. We have SKU here. So this is a shoulder bag style, as we're going to notice that the top handle comes in the braided leather. It comes with bag tag and LV bag tag as well. Then next we have the Bella Mahina. Price of this one is 3,500 euro or 4,300 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU for your reference. Material is leather with the Louis Vuitton monogram detail. Close up, we could see that it comes with the round coin pouch that is fully detachable. It would come with chain strap as well with leather interweaved. Next we have the Cleo wallet. Price of this one is 1,100 USD. So we have the SKU here. So still part of the Mahina Flight Mode Collection, which they have the material of the leather with the Louis Vuitton monogram detail in the Mahina perforation. So this is a small leather good. It is a compact wallet with gold hardware. Next we have the Flory. So this is like a bucket bag style. Price of this one is 4,850 USD. So same material. So this is the close-up. So the closures we're going to see, we have the leather tie, and on the bottom we have the very cute and teeny tiny Louis Vuitton lock. It would come with a top handle that I believe you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. Next new design, we have the Slouchy PM. So this one, August 30th is the launch in US, but in Europe, launching would be September 13, 2024. So the Slouchy PM price is 2,150 euro or 2,450 USD, made of the soft monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. Next, we have the on-the-go size PM. So this is from the Monogram Ink collection that has just launched August 30th, 2024. So the price of this one is 3,500 USD. Material is calfskin leather. Colorway is the Trianon gray. Of course, it would come with detachable adjustable leather crossbody strap, and it comes with a top handle as well. Then we have the Keepall bandolier size 50. So this is from the Tomette collection as promised. Once we have more of this, I'll be posting it here. This has launched on August 30th, so kindly check with your CAs already. Price of the Keepall 50 is 2,900 euro or 3,500 USD. So it comes with bag tag and detachable leather strap. So it would come also in the Horizon 55, as you can see here, and this is how it looks like on the natural light. So as you can see, the red monogram print really stands out against the black background of this bag. So everything would be the same print, just like with the Keepall 50 on top of the Horizon 55. Next new design of bag, we have the Varenne East West. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Launching of this new bag is September 27, 2024. Price of 2,150 euro or 2,660 USD. So as you can see, close up, main material is epi leather with leather trims, and on the side it comes with the monogram canvas. It comes with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Then we have the LV Burger. Price of this one is 780 euro. So this is a bag charm by LV. It is a cone pouch shaped as a burger. Material is leather with monogram canvas. Interior with gold hardware. And this is launching September 26, 2024. Next bag charm, we have the Louis Vuitton Pizza. Price is 590 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU for your reference. So this is a fancy accessories bag charm or coin pouch, this time shaped as a pizza slice. Material is leather with monogram canvas with silver hardware. Launching September 26, 2024. Next new design bag, we have the Live Pochette. Price of this one is 1,950 USD. USA, it already launched August 30th, but in Europe would be launching September 30th, 2024. Kindly take note of the SKU. Material is Ampron leather. So this is a double zip pochette with detachable leather crossbody and chain strap. Next, we have bag charms here. We have the Vivian bag charms. So price of this one is 360 euro or 430 USD. So we have 3 SKU. One is in monogram, one is in cream, and one is in pink. So these are the close-up look. As you can see, it comes with the longer strap, so you could wear this one maybe as a necklace and definitely as a bag charm. Then guys, how cute is this one? So firstly, we have the Speedy 30 in soft from the Crafty collection. So price of this one is 2,800 euro or 3,250 USD. We have SKU here. So guys, once I have more bags from the Crafty collection, kindly I will be posting it here, so please do stand by. This is launching September 27, 2024. Then let's go to the Mink Exotic collection. That would be launching October 1st, 2024. First, we have the mini Capucines. Price of this one is 7,200 euro. We have SKU here for your reference. So the material is mink, the color is sky blue. It comes with leather trims, and definitely this would come with detachable strap. Next on this one is the very cute Nano Speedy. Price of this one is 3,600 euro. We have SKU here for your reference. Same material as the exotic mink in the sky blue colorway. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It would come with bag tag as well with gold hardware. Next, we have the mini Capucines in the Mink Exotic, which color is noir. Price of this one is 7,200 euro. Still launching October 1st. As you can see close up, it would come with the chain strap with the Louis Vuitton flower detail. How cute is that? Once, of course, it would come with leather trims as well. It would come with detachable leather strap. Next, we have the Kuzan size BB. Price is 5,400 euro. We have SKU here. Kindly take note for your reference. Close up, as you can see, we have the Louis Vuitton logo monogram in front. It would come with detachable leather strap. It would come with chunky gold chain strap as well. Next, we have the collection we have discussed previously. So we have the Louis Vuitton X Park SEO-BO Capsule collection launching September 12. So this is the continuation. First, we have the Keepall 25 in the color red. Price of this one is 2,900 euro. You know, guys, if you're following me, you know I am in love with Keepall size 25. Then we have the Cotteville size 16. This is 15,000 euro. We have SKU here. So the main material is epi leather. The colorway is like apple green or neon green. Comes with bag tag, and this is the interior, as you can see. And it would come with silver hardware. So guys, by the way, if you want to check out, just kindly check our previous vlog to see the other bags in this collection. And then we have a maxi trainer from the collection. Price of this one is 1,760 euros. So still part of the Park SEO-BO XLV capsule collection. Main material is epi leather in this very beautiful colorway of neon green, launching September 12, 2024. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!